Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to use LinkedIn for job search. First of all, visit the LinkedIn website and log into your account. Once you land on the website, let's get started to find a job. You will find a dedicated jobs page on LinkedIn, so go to that page and here you will find the latest posted jobs list on the screen. You can explore these jobs to find and apply, or from the top, use the search bar to find a job. For example, I will find a video editor job here. Once the search results appear on the screen, we can apply filters to specify the jobs that are related to us. For example, I will select the posted date, and from these options, make sure to select the jobs posted in the past 24 hours because those have the most chances of getting hired. I will select that and click on Show Results. After filtering, you will get the results that were posted in the last 24 hours. Also, we can apply more filters. For example, we can get easy apply jobs. From the top, click on it to filter out and all jobs will be filtered for easy apply. You can also apply for an on-site or remote job and also get the experience level according to your expertise. After applying all these filters, you will get the results on the screen. Start exploring these jobs and find one that is suitable for you. Once you find one, click on it to open it on the screen, and on the right side, you will see all the details about this job. Check the details and click on Easy Apply using your account details or upload your resume. But if you scroll down a bit on this page, you will get the About This Company section where you will find the company account. So click on that to open it on the screen. On the company page, let's go to the People tab. Here, you will find the associated people list on the screen from the locations they are located in. To filter them out, simply select a location that is related to you, and all the people will be listed on the screen from that location. Message the manager or HR person from this list, or any senior person who can help you. Send them a message about the job information that they are offering in their company. That will help you understand and connect with them to know what exactly the job is. After that, let's go to the About tab. In this section, you will find the details about the company. You will also find the contact details about this company. As you can see, here is the website. Click on it and it will open in a new tab on your screen where you will find the career or hiring section. You may find it at the top of the menu or scroll down to the footer section to see the hiring or career section. Here you can see the Join Our Team page. Click on it. And on this page, you can apply for the jobs that they are offering. In this way, you can reach the company directly from their website. There are some other options to apply for jobs through LinkedIn. Use the search bar from the top, and here, search for the Talent Acquisition Manager or HR. Just wait a moment to get results. Once you get the search results, let's apply the filter to get the most relevant manager. From the top, select People, and it will filter out all the person accounts on the screen. After getting this, you can apply the Actively Hiring filter. Here, just enter the job that you are willing to apply for. In this example, I will do that for Data Specialist and then click on Show Results. So it will filter out only the managers who are currently hiring for Data Specialist. Also, you can filter out the specific location and the current companies if you are aiming for a specific company job. After filtering out, simply message them directly. Send your resume and your expertise for the job to apply. These are a few methods that you can use to reach out and get hired through LinkedIn. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.